Alright. We got a winch out here, the van. Run a line here without backing up too far because it's all soft. I don't feel like getting stuck. Be enough. All right. Stuff is so freaking messy. Oh, you suck. All right, you're not gonna fit on that. You brick. All right. I guess let me get a strap. Still got plenty on there. Alright. Works. Unfortunately it's dark, so I don't know how much of this you're gonna get. Okay. I go around the control arm. All right, let me I'm gonna lock up the cable. Do me a favor, I'm gonna pull some tension. I'm gonna call you on the phone so we can communicate, okay? And then what I want you to do is just turn it on, keep your foot on the brake, put it in neutral, turn the wheel this way. All right, and then I'll tell you, I don't want you to hold the brake all the way, just keep your foot on it just in case I need you to stop. All right, and like I said, I'll just I'll call you on the phone so we can talk. Photo. Okay. Let me call him on the phone. Just put the tension on the cable, and then I'll put the tension on the cable, then I'll have you put it in neutral, all right? All right, so now put it in neutral, keep your foot on the brake lightly, and turn the wheel towards the driver's side of the van. All right, let go of the brake a little bit. Just want it to roll. Turn that way to the driver's side. Yeah, keep it all the way to the driver's side. Keep on going to the driver's side. What, sorry? It's turned all the way? Okay. Turn it a little bit straight. Yeah, I want you to turn it to the driver's side, but not too much where it starts sliding. Yeah, little by little, go to the driver's side. Try to turn more to the driver's side. Alright, straighten it out a little bit. Not too much. Stuff is slippery, man. Any which way he turns, wants to slide. I was just trying to get you away from the dip. Yeah, go towards the driver's side. Yeah, that. You got your foot off the brakes, right? Yeah, take your feet off. All right, no. Take your foot off the brake. All right. Yeah, it's literally sliding everywhere. Yeah, just keep it in neutral. Yeah, this thing sucks. Alright, turn it to me a little bit. A little bit, yeah. Alright, hold it there. Not too much. Go that way a little bit. Alright, there we go. Now turn that way hard. Yeah, driver's side. Alright, keep your foot in the brake and hold it. Alright, don't do anything, just keep your foot on the brake. I gotta move up a little bit. Alright, let me move up a little bit and then we'll do it again. Yeah, this thing sucks, man, because everything's so freaking slippery. Alright, let me put tension on it. Alright, put it in neutral. Take your feet off the brake. Turn the wheel a little bit towards me. Alright, no feet on the brakes, alright? Alright, now go to the driver's side, hard to the driver's side. Yeah, now that the front's over, I can get the back over. Keep on going to the driver's side a little bit. Alright, come to me. Not too much, a little bit. Alright, put it in drive and see if you can come forward. Gotta give it gas. Nope. Alright. Alright, let me alright, put it in park, keep your foot in the brake. I'm gonna have to pull up again. Nah, just put it in park and then keep your foot in the brake. Cause your back tire is full of mud, so I gotta try to get you a little bit out of the way. Alright, tighten it up. Alright, put it in neutral. Turn towards me. And take your foot off the brake. Try to just stay centered to the road. Come towards the passenger side a little bit. Go past your side. You gotta get away from that dip over there. Alright. Put it in drive, see if you come forward at all. Try to give it gas. Alright, hold it there. Hold it. Alright, I'm gonna disconnect and then I'll move up and hopefully you can follow me out to the main part of the driveway. Just whatever you do, don't floor it. Just go nice and easy and, you know, feather it up. Yeah, don't step on the gas hard. Like when you're coming up this road, just like try not to go really fast and just take your time and go nice and easy and just go with the momentum. Don't stay in the middle with the curve. Don't go to any ends because you'll slip into the ends. And then just go nice and easy till we get to the top of the driveway up here. All right, let me close this up. All right, I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna kill my back light so I'm not blinding you. All right, and then like I said, just follow the road up here nice and easy. All right, so just like I said, you know, nice and easy. And try not to go fast because you don't want to slip. All right. All right, kill my lights so that you can see. And as long as you got momentum, just go nice and easy and just keep going. Till we get up here to the level part of the driveway. That's it, just chill right there for a minute. And if you want, you can make your phone calls or whatever. I'll hang up now, all right? All right. All right, that's what take care. Let me get my photos. Okay. Photos, plate number, and then I can send the invoice, get paid, and then once I'm paid, they can go on their way. That's the problem with a lot of these areas, man.